how AI can be used to build slides for a classroom lesson. And today I'm looking at Curipod. This is a really neat tool. I've only just begun playing around with it, but I'm curious how it can help me to get started with teaching a lesson to freshmen in high school. So Curipod gives me a couple of different options. I can curify my slides, so I can upload already created slides and enhance it with AI. I can help students review and have a formative assessment, but I'm going to start with generating a lesson. And remember, the more you put into AI, the more specific you are with what you're looking for, the better the output is going to be. So I am doing short stories, so I'm going to take a look at elements of fiction, and I'm working with freshmen. And again, what I love about a lot of these AI tools is that I can change the language and really adapt it to meet the needs of my students, especially language learners. Now, this additional criteria I think is so key. So I'm going to paste in, I want 10 slides that connect to the elements of fiction, and I put in the short story that I'm reading. So let's get started and see what it creates. Okay, so now I've got my slides here, and as I scroll through to see all of my slides, you can see it's added an image. It is asking students some background information on what they know about elements of fiction. It's going to define a lot of those key terms here. Okay, it's actually brought in a little bit of the background of the setting of the story itself. Looking here, it's got questions for my students, discussing theme, which is a huge part of talking about a short story. So this has already created a really strong foundation. Now let's see what I can edit with this. As I'm scrolling through here, I can customize my information. It's got a live link to join so students can join. I can add different aspects of a lesson, so I can add games. Let's take a look at this. I can create a quiz with this. So it has a lot of elements that are really similar to a Pear Deck, to any of those interactive slides that I've created. Now, as I'm trying to add here, it looks like I can add text, I can add different media, I can even tweak the background here. So it's giving me all sorts of different features. What I like about this is it's created a very simple, strong outline, and again, it's something that's interactive that I can work with students. So this is another really simple, easy tool that can help us to get started with generating different types of engaging lessons for our students. Again, the more information you put into an AI generator, the stronger the output is going to be. But what's so wonderful is that you can customize this as well. So definitely check out this tool.